Hello friends, today we are going to do an unboxing video. So this is a Lenovo webcam that I bought yesterday. It was delivered today. So we are going to see the product and try it out. So this is Lenovo 300 FHD webcam with full stereo dual built-in mics. 1080p with 2.1 megapixel CMOS camera. So this came in a Lenovo box, well packed, as you can see over here. It is sealed with the Lenovo sticker as well. Here we have the price tags and manufacturing details, but hardly anything is readable. Only I could see the price is around 5,300. I got it for around 2,600 from Amazon. So let's open the box and check out the product. So just going to cut the seal. So here is the content of the box. So we have the cable and else is in the box. So it was well inside a nice packaging, nice container, not like the local products. It came inside this container, and apart from that there was a Lenovo manual which says what to do. So this is mostly what I saw from the product description is a pretty much plug and play device wherein you don't need anything. You can just plug it in and it should work as with the default software. So I'm going to use it in the Windows system. Okay, we have one more. This is the warranty information card, service support and warranty information. So let's keep this aside and check the main thing. So this is the device. This is not very big in size, pretty small compared to my hand, you can see, and the cable is not a braided one, a normal, but looks, the feel is premium. It doesn't feel a very cheap kind of cord. It feels good. The cord is quite big, so it will easily reach if your CPU is little far. So in the front what we see is a protective cap, wherein to maintain your privacy you can just slide it in. Also you have a protective cover over here, which I'm going to remove. So you can see here there is a protective cover. I'm going to first let me take off this guy so I can take it off. This will come out easily. This is the cap, so I'm going to remove the protective cover. So the device looks something like this. You have the mics over here, and this is going to sit on top of your monitor. So let's say that this is your monitor, it's going to sit pretty firm and you can easily change the angle whenever you want. So the cable is fixed at the back, so it's not detachable, and you have a tripod mount here as well. But yeah, the angle is pretty much changeable. Easily it can be changed, and this has a 360-degree rotation as well, so you can move it to adjust based on your needs. So let us test this out in the PC, how it looks. We'll see the audio quality and we'll see how it works when we plug it in. So I'll pause this video, and once we are ready to set it in the PC, we'll start again.